Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add friends on PS5 from Xbox. If you try to add friends on your PS5 from different platform, then you won't be able to do it because PlayStation doesn't allow us to add friends from different platforms, which means you can only add friends who are playing on PlayStation, but you can still add friends from Xbox. Here's exactly how to do it. First of all, let's say I want to play with my Xbox friend on MLB. Then I just need to open the game and add the friend inside that game, and then I'll be able to play with that friend on the selected game. Now let's say I want to play with different platform friend on this game. Then I need to firstly open the game, then open the settings of the game. Under it, go to settings and find this option of cross platform and make sure that it is set to on so that it allows us to play with cross platform friends. Once you have this setting enabled, then go to friends inside any of the game. Under it, we need to just add the friend in here. So just search for the friend and then you will be able to play with him once he accepts your request. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.